Tired of high fees and slow transfers when you're sending money to family or friends abroad? Do you find yourself waiting in long queues at the bank or a money transfer office? What if I told you there's a simpler, faster, and more affordable way to do it all from your phone? That's where Paysend comes in. It's a game changer for international money transfers, making the process incredibly easy and transparent. No more guessing what the final cost will be or wondering when your money will arrive. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to send money abroad using Paysend. First things first, you'll need the Paysend app, which you can download from your app store. Once you've signed up and verified your account, you're ready to start. Tap on New Transfer. From there, you'll select the country you want to send money to and enter the amount you wish to transfer. This is where Paysend's transparency shines. Right away, you'll see the exact exchange rate, the fixed transfer fee, and the total amount your recipient will receive. There are no hidden charges. Next, you'll choose the delivery method. Paysend offers several options, including direct to a bank account, to a bank card, or even for cash pickup in some locations. Select the one that works best for your recipient. After that, you'll enter your recipient's details. This could be their full name and bank account information for a bank transfer, or their card number if you're sending directly to their card. Finally, you'll add your payment method. You can use your own debit or credit card to fund the transfer. Once you've confirmed all the details, hit send. Most transfers are completed within minutes, and you can track the status of your money right in the app. It's that simple. With Paysend, you get a secure, fast, and low-cost way to send money internationally, all from the palm of your hand. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.